How to replace a Human Touch Super Novo 2.0 silver side panel. You will need a 6mm Allen wrench and a Phillips head screwdriver. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Unzip the foot and calf massager upholstery from the front of the backrest pad. Pry the retaining clip off the mounting post by pulling outward on the tongue and then upward. Pry the retaining clip off the other mounting post. Lift the massager, slide it to the left off the mounting post, slide it to the right off the other mounting post, then rest it on the floor. Disconnect the air hose, then press firmly on the connector release tab before pulling it towards you to disconnect it. Using a 6mm Allen wrench, remove the bolt that secures the front of the side panel to the chair. Open the small zipper at the top of the side panel, then use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screw that secures the top of the side panel. Slide the side panel forward, then lift upward to detach it enough to expose the hoses and connectors. Disconnect all of the hoses and connectors. You can now remove the side panel from the chair. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 10 screws that secure the silver side panel. You can now remove the silver side panel. Now, let's replace it. Slide the new silver panel into position, then replace the 10 screws to secure it. Note the horizontal bracket on the side panel and the corresponding bracket on the chair frame. Note the horseshoe bracket on the side panel and the corresponding post on the chair frame. Note the metal bracket on the top of the side panel and the corresponding slot on the chair frame. Connect the new side panel to the chair, making sure to match the hoses by number and the connectors by color. Place the side panel horizontal bracket onto the horizontal bracket on the chair, then slide the panel backward. Make sure the bracket at the top of the side panel slides into the slot on the chair. Replace the screw at the top of the side panel, then close the small zipper. Replace the screw at the front of the side panel. Connect the foot and calf massager connectors. A snapping sound confirms that the connection is secure. Connect the air hose, making sure the hose is installed all the way onto the fitting. Slide one of the mounting brackets onto the mounting post, then replace the retaining clip to secure it. Be sure the tongue of the clip is facing the inside of the chair. Slide the other mounting bracket onto the mounting post, then replace the retaining clip to secure it. Be sure the tongue of the clip is facing the inside of the chair. Zip the massager upholstery to the front of the backrest pad. Finally, plug in the chair, power it on, and you're done.